All right. First hike of the century on Raven Rocks. Dude, I love this GoPro actually. Look, it has like a screen.
Oh, is that what hero is that?
It's 12.
Dang.
Yeah.
We have 7.
Honestly, it doesn't really matter.
It doesn't, yeah. There's like minor differences.
Yeah. So,
although the newer ones can do like
cool stuff, like features and things. All right, where are we going, Micah?
Huh?
Where are we going?
All the way up there.
Let me. Up there. This starts the journey.
Honestly, it doesn't look as big as the front and stuff.
Yeah, but this first hike starts my camping backpacking journey thing. So, very, very techy.
Hear that?
Oh, that's so cool. Actually, wait, whoa. Ah, I see. That's pretty cool, actually. It's right there. Because it's probably,
That sounds.
this probably gets higher during like more rainy season. Oh, be careful. That is pretty epic. Because you can't even see it. How are we feeling?
I'm a bit tired.
Bit. You gotta do cardio, man. Longer cardio. Like this. This is like perfect. This is nice though, the green. Park?
No, the gym.
I agree. I think this is it. I'm waiting for the sun.
Oh, wait. Where is the time? I have 4 bars of service right now.
I mean,
Sleep on that, there we go.
what do? We hiked through the thicket with no path, and we found this thing. Okay, yeah, this is a sight to be seen.
So, I guess it's more of the open valley.
Yeah, oh, 100%. You see everything here. This is pretty epic. This is pretty epic. I might come up here and camp too. I don't know whose this is. Hopefully this guy who's been camping here. Or maybe he did have a dog. It is so windy. Here, hold the camera real quick. grab my compass. Okay, so now we pretty much just go this direction, southeast, off into the northwest. Yeah, I don't think I want to color grade these videos.
You don't think you want?
Yeah. Well, I mean, I'll do this one, but I'll just do the normal color settings, so I don't have to do any of that.
You have a
No, it just auto white balance and auto coloring, or like normal. What I shoot in is called log. It stores more information, so you have more control. Yeah, right here. Dude. Right here, this little spot. We went around. We went all the way around. We didn't cut through the middle here. So if we keep going this way, we'll eventually get to where we were.
I think we should go back to the trees over there.
This way, you mean?
Yeah.
Alright. It's better to stay high as well. I think this is where we popped out here. Yep. Right here. Right here, Micah. No, it's right here. Huh?
Right here? Oh wait, yeah.
Alright. Very nice. Alright. Made it to the top. And we're on our descent. See you at the bottom unless something interesting happens. Got back. Didn't record anything because there's a bunch of people. So now I will be unboxing some of the backpacking gear that I have right here. I'll do a sleeping bag because I'm probably gonna start sleeping on it just for fun. I actually got this 50% off. This sleeping bag.
That's crazy.
It is pretty.
What's the starting price?
200.
200.
200 buckaroos, and I got it for $9.99. I also got this little thing. Alright, bro. This is what I'm about to be sleeping on in the Shenandoah. Alright, cool. I want to open the tent.
Dang, that was really.
This is a whole tent. It's a one-person tent. Yeah.
What the heck?
Hello? Hello? There we go. Alright, here.
There's the tent, boys.
Indeed. Right now, it doesn't look as good as it should be because it was we kind of messed it up a little bit. In about 6 months, I'll literally just be like in the boondocks with this thing, bro.
What are the boondocks?
Huh?
Is that a mountain range?
No, it's it means
Alright.
you need to get me a show.
I have to see
Your
if
show.
Joey rejects Monica.
And this is the case, so it's like really efficient.
Mm. Wait, what is that doing? What is that for, though?
This?
Yeah.
Just filling it up.
Oh, that is really cool. Oh my gosh.